everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're covering how to prepare a guava, this interesting little fruit right here. If you've never had one before, this information may help you out. The first thing you want to do is just give it a good wash, and then you want to cut off either end of it, and then you can actually eat the whole thing just like it is. The seeds are edible, but they are very, very hard to chew. So know that if you bite into it, you're probably not going to be able to chew those seeds very well, and you'll be swallowing them whole. So people who eat a lot of guava will often scoop the seeded area out, or they will cook it and strain the seeds out. Now another thing, the peel kind of looks like a lime, okay, but it is not as thick and tough as the peel on a lime. This is actually a lot thinner, and it is tender in a ripe guava, so you can actually eat the peel with no problem whatsoever. Now if you cut into it and it's brown and mushy on the inside, it is no good and you don't want to be eating it. Just throw it away. Well, I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Take care now.